What's good, y'all? The G's running. It's back. We figured it out. Turns out it was the fuel pump the whole time, not letting it turn on. But she sounds good. Very healthy. No smoking, nothing's leaking as of yet. Everything sounds good, yo. Except for a little weird idle, but I think that has to do with my antenna probably. Alright, y'all, so this part of the vlog is probably gonna be really weird looking and rushed, only because I get super excited that we figured out the issue with the G. So I've come to my senses. My car's running. Right now I'm just gonna go through and start properly connecting everything. As far as all the intakes, I still have to cut my core support. I'm currently gonna take my fenders off so I could connect the harness for my doors to work. I still am going to use my new underdash harness that I got, but for now I'm going to use my old one because I need to get a BCM to match that harness. For some reason the plugs are different on them. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the fenders off right now, and then I'm gonna start working on the inside. Alright, y'all, so the reason why I have to take the fenders off for the door connection is the door harness sits right here behind the fender, right between the fender and the door. So this goes right here, and I'll show you inside. You can't really tell, but the harness comes through to right here, and it would sit just like that. So obviously my doors aren't working, well, windows and locks aren't working right now because it is not connected. Yeah, see, same with this side, it's right there. Let me show you what the connection looks like. We come inside the car, the door connection will look like this right here. It's a pretty big one, so I gotta go through all this bullshit. I'll probably disconnect it just to make it easier on myself. Put it in, and then I could reconnect all this stuff. You know, it's not really that hard to take off. It does look like a lot. I do need to put the fuse box and BCM back in its correct spot. I'm not sure what this module is too. This module sits up over here. So it's just a lot of little things. I did leave my cluster right here for now, temporarily. Only because I don't have a dash to put on. Well, I do have a dash, but I was too lazy to throw it on. And yeah, I was working with the wiring, so its best spot for now was right there. So let's go ahead and get started on this.
And I'll be recording in this area.
Junkyard date with my babe. We're here for parts for the G, of course, as always. Damn, look at that SRT8. SRT8. I didn't know they made an SRT8 Ram. That's crazy. I think one of my biggest fears is one day one of my cars would end up here.
Or the other thing is, the fuck out of their car working. They're trying to take off parts and let you do.
I know, huh? Take a look at what it's being held up by. Steelies?
I got you. Put it up.
Oh no. Yeah, there's an earthquake, and then oh, look at that. There you go. Bye bye.
No, I'll follow it.
No. Oh, the TL? If you know, you know. Sheesh. Not anymore.
It looks weird, but
yeah, it's ugly. I'm surprised the taillights are still here. Oh, no wonder the tabs are broken. Oh, God damn, this shit's fucked up. Oh man, god damn. Jesus Christ, someone got T-boned like a motherfucker though. Fuck. Anyways, I found the car I need.
so this dumbass fucking broke these lines right here.
I actually cut them off.
Dumbass. And he also needs this bullshit right here. It connects into the fucking car.
Alright, it's his turn. I got most of the bolts I needed for the bottom. He's gonna go get bolts for the transmission right now. And I'm gonna get these little stupid power steering lines that I need that I cut like an idiot. So let's see. Yeah, they're not gonna hard to get. I just gotta take the fucking stupid clips off. Fuck it. I'm taking the power steering cooler. It's cleaner than mine.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. Plus I needed these two lines right here. See guys. Yeah, I needed these two little fucking hoses right here.
Let's take out that clip.
And the cooler's better than mine.
You got this bracket, right?
Yeah. There we go. See? We got a new cooler for my G because mine's all fucked up. Alright, on to the next. We came to a G35 sedan so I could get the fuel, what's it called? Filter? The fuel filter and the little retaining clip that holds it in. I'm gonna grab that real quick. Alright, so we came back to the G because, the G Coupe at least, because the fuel pump assembly is completely different. So I got the little bracket I need for the fuel pump in there, and we're taking a little fucking filter also.
Do you have the little retainer clip, right?
Yeah, hopefully it's in my pocket. If not, try to get that one if you can.
Oh, this one looks really fucked up.
No, never mind, man. Fuck it.
Yeah.
I can throw it in the bag.
You're gonna fucking lose it in there.
Take it.
Why don't you put it in this pocket?
Oh, go ahead. Put it in there. Put it in. Aye. Successful junkyard run. We got the cooler and all the fucking bolts I need. So
You didn't even check the fucking bag?
they didn't, but we had so many bolts. We took the fucking the fuel filter and everything. So time to get back to the house.
Could have gotten away just stealing the whole fucking cluster.
Might as well, right? Stick it in your pants and shit.
With your jacket.
Alright, time to get back to the house and fucking work on the G. Alright, yeah. So back at the house. I'm putting my fuel filter on the fuel pump right now. I also got pretty much everything else I need for the G, like the bottom bolts, little bushing for my rack and pinion, the bolt for my steering joint. This is like the main one I needed. The filter, this little plastic piece that goes over it, and this little tiny locking ring right there. I need that too. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on real quick. Alright, we got the car lifted up. I took care of the fuel pump already. Now we're gonna throw on the 2 bolts I'm missing for my transmission. We're also gonna throw on the bushing for the rack and pinion. Huh? What the fuck is that?
It's the noodle, dick.
Cup of noodles?
No.
Oh yeah, I got that. We're also gonna throw on the little bolt for the... What the fuck is wrong with you?
Doorknob.
You're disgusting. Anyways, the bolt for my steering wheel joint. And I'm also gonna see if I could hook this up to my harness, because for my starter I have 2 male wires and I need 1 female obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that too, and then throw the bolt or the nuts on for my control arms too. We've been grinding on the bottom. So we got our control arm bolts in. We have got the bushing in for the power steering, for the rack and pinion.
That's just tight.
Fix the starter wire.
Tighten these?
No, I haven't tightened those yet.
Okay.
We need to tighten that too. Fix the starter wire. We got the bolts. We got the bolts for the transmission. Yeah, so the transmission's properly mounted. Alright, we got it figured out. It's kind of weird, but let's see. I'm gonna set you guys down right here for now. We are going to take the G on her first drive today. Obviously the front end isn't together yet. Yes, I know. I pretty much have got almost everything figured out wiring wise. Y'all ready for that cold start? head mount going. Let's pull her out of the garage. Oh my god, it feels so good. Something flew. I don't know what it was. Everything seems like it's still here. The G's only been running for 5 minutes and I got my first ride along. You're gonna be on YouTube. Look, look it. See the camera? You're gonna be on YouTube. You ready?
Oh shit, here we go!
Why are you recording me? Record the road, what the heck?
I'm proud of you. You did it. You're gonna give Mom a heart attack. Oh my Lord Jesus Christ.
So, what'd you think?
You're amazing.
She was holding on for dear life.
You think? Look at my hands.
G's looking off jank right now on jack stands. I have the wheels, well, my stock Q50 wheels at the shop. I'm getting new tires because my tires were all balled and on wires, so the G's left on jack stands. That's fucked up. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna wrap up this vlog. The G is back, the G's running. A little more content coming soon, obviously with a new part installs for the G. I still have my heat exchanger for the Q50 that I do plan on installing soon. As far as the Q goes, I don't really know where I'm going with it yet, so we'll see in the future, but that's gonna do it for now. Like, comment, subscribe, follow the Insta. Peace.
Bad bitch, I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. More millions when you ask how I can go.